Subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, select all for more videos.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल हेल्थ टिप्स विद सलीम। फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आप जानते होंगे कि हमारी हर एक वीडियो हेल्थ से रिलेटेड होती है। इसी तरह आज भी हम एक अहम मौजू पर बात करेंगे। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है रूट ऑफ ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। रूट ऑफ ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हैज़ 4 major types. Number 1, entered route of drug administration. Entered route of drug administration is further divided into 3 types: oral route, sublingual route, rectal route. Number 2, parenteral route of drug administration. Number 3, inhalation route of drug administration. And the fourth one is topical route of drug administration. So now we will discuss one by one. First of all, enter route of drug administration. It means that to drug give by GIT. This route of drug administration is further divided into 3 types: oral route of drug administration, sublingual route of drug administration and rectal route of drug administration. सबसे पहले हमारे पास नंबर ए है oral route of drug administration. It means that to drug give by mouth. Advantages: it is an easy method of drug administration. It does not need antiseptic procedure. It is not risky method. It is cheap route of drug administration and it is not painful method. Disadvantage of this route of drug administration. इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस ये हैं: दिस रूट इज़ नॉट सूटेबल इन इमरजेंसी केसेस, यानी कि इमरजेंसी केसेस में ओरल रूट सूटेबल नहीं है। कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड इन पीपल हु आर वोमिटिंग, यानी कि वोमिटिंग की हालत में ओरल रूट सूटेबल नहीं है। कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड फॉर अनकॉन्शियस पर्सन, अनकॉन्शियस पर्सन के लिए भी ओरल रूट suitable नहीं है। Some drugs are harmful for stomach, example aspirin. Number B, sublingual route of drug administration. Sublingual means drug is kept under the tongue. Advantages of this route: rapidly soluble method, easy method, cheap method. Disadvantages: most drugs are not available as sublingual formulations. The taste of the sublingual dosage form may not be liked by the patient. Placing the sublingual dosage from under the tongue until it dissolves may be considered inconvenient by some patients. Irritation to the oral mucosa. C. Rectal route of drug administration. Rectal means drug is kept in rectum. Advantages of this route: it is an easy method. Drug may be used in local problem, example constipation. Disadvantages of this route: mucosal irritation, patient complaints, erratic and undesired absorptions. Placement too high into rectum may lead to first pass metabolism. Installation may trigger defecation reaction. GI state affects absorption. Number 2, parenteral route of drug administration. Parenteral means to drug give by injections, यानी इंजेक्शन के ज़रिए ड्रग्स देना। Advantages of this route: can be used for drugs that are poorly absorbed, inactive or ineffective if given orally. The IV route provides immediate onset of action. The intramuscular and subcutaneous routes can be used to achieve slow or delayed onset of action. Patients' concordance problems can be avoided. Disadvantages: drug administration by these routes is irreversible and poses more risks than the other routes. It is an invasive route of drug administration and thus it can cause fear, pain, tissue damage or infections. Inhalation route of drug administration. It means to drug give by through lungs. Advantages. It is possible to administer larger doses than this, modifying the dose of the drug according to the needs of the patient is simple. Inhalation therapy facilitates self administration and therefore increases the compliance of patients. It is possible to formulate a combination of different types of drugs in a single dose for the treatment of disease. Disadvantage. The major disadvantage of inhalation route of drug administration is that limited drugs are suitable for formulation with these techniques. Cleaning after each application is necessary to avoid potential contamination. The active pharmaceutical ingredients API and exceptions, those have an unpleasant taste and odor or difficult to formulate. Number 4. Topical route of drug administration. It means to apply drugs on target part. Advantage of this route. Fewer risks of gastrointestinal difficulties. Different individual absorb medications at different rates. Fewer risks of abuse. Easy to administer. Reduced hospital congestion. Disadvantages. Potential production of irritant and allergic contact dermatitis, decreased penetration in the affected area, potential rapid appearance of bacterial resistance, potential alteration of cutaneous flora. फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मुलाकात होगी। अल्लाह हाफिज़।